Today I am doing a homeware haul. I haven't done one of these. Maybe I did one in my old house. I haven't done one since I moved into my new flat. And I just got loads of really nice things from H&M Home. So me and Penny wanted to show you them. And Penny wanted to show you her new haircut. Her little haircut, how cute does she look? She's so cute. She's so cute. So yeah. Anyway, I wanted to show you this on Black Friday, but it took ages to come. And so I was just like, do you know what? I need a minute to myself. Because I did actually film a couple of other Black Friday things, which you should still watch. Like, maybe I'll change the titles now that it's not Black Friday, because they are still really nice things, but they're just like not necessarily on Black Friday sale anymore, if you know what I mean. So yeah, make sure you have a look at those. But yeah, I'm gonna get straight into it. If you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll link everything below in the description. Because it's homeware, you don't need to know sizes, but I'll put like the price and the link. And I did get all these things in store, so I'm not 100% sure they're online yet. If they're not, then I'll update them when they are online, and if they aren't, I'll also link like the closest alternative. And I'm sorry if I like go red at some point, but that window buses always go past, and I notice when I'm editing that all of a sudden I'll go like bright red, and that is why. And I'll also link this jumper, which is BTW, the softest jumper in the world. So I'm gonna get the biggest thing shown to you guys first, and it is a rug. And I didn't know that H&M did rugs, but they do, and this one is such good quality. It's like this really nice big, it's like got bobble knits, can you see? It's like all bobbles, and then it's like black, like shaggy, and cream, and it's all like mismatched, can you see? I'll put a picture in of it like fully flat, but I'm gonna put it in my living room. What I'll do is I'll also put overlays of it, the things in situ, and then you can see as I go through with me like building my living room. I'm gonna change it all around. Yes, I'm gonna do that. So I've got pink at the moment. These cushions are actually H&M too, so I'll link them below. And then I've got these cushions, which are from Elizabeth Scarlett. I'll link those below too. But I thought I'm gonna go for a more cozy vibe, so I bought all different things for my living room. So yeah, I'll show you me like putting them out. So the next thing I got was this vase, which I adore. Jack actually really loves this too, which I was shocked by because he rarely likes anything I pick out. But it's like, can you see without me, it's like a kind of orangey, amber, smoked glass. It's so nice. I just love it. And I like vases, like even if they're empty, I just really like them. I just think they add something to the room and add a bit of colour. And I just wanted to go for like some nice warm tones. So the next two things I'll show you just as like a pair, even though they're not. So I've got these vases, and they're really similar to each other. Again, they're like the kind of smoked amber kind of look, and they'll go really nicely with the big one. But I got these. They did have a bigger one too, but I've got so many big vases, and I was like, that's actually a really handy sized vase to have. So yeah, and I thought this would look really nice with a candle in it for winter. So yeah, I thought they looked really cute. Maybe get some cotton sticks actually to put in them. I might order some now. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think they're very cute. I'm gonna add some colour into my room. Though I am concerned because I've got a lot of like gold and marble, and it's like silver, and I'm worried that these colours won't go, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. So another big thing that I got was this blanket, which I was so shocked to find in H&M. I don't know which way it goes. I think this is the wrong way. It's like this really big cable. Penny's like, oh, I'll have a bit of that. I'll lay on that. It's like this really big, thick cable knit blanket, and it's huge. It's got these lovely tassels. It's so big. It's really, really, really chunky. And I did get this for in here, but it might end up going in the bedroom. Probably end up just following me around wherever I am, to be honest. She's like, she's had that out. That's hers now. So then next, I wanted to add a colour to my sofa. So I've got like pink blankets and cushions and stuff, so I wanted to switch out to like the ambery colours so I can make a nice cozy winter setting. So I got these velvet cushions. I got two of these, and they're like the kind of honey, the amber colour velvet, and then they've got this like gold stitching in like honeycomb. I really like these. I think they're so nice, and they're gonna look really nice with like the cream, and make it all like cozy, all of these like colours together. So yeah, I got those. And then I also got a couple of embroidered patterned cushions. So I got this one, which is like just the honeycomb kind of down here. This is like more of a knitted. Can you see the fabric? It's like more of a knitted. So this is more of like a honeycomb at the bottom, and then it's got like this stripe, and then it's got like the kind of Aztec-y on the other side, and then on the back it's just plain. And I forgot to show you these on the back. They're just like completely plain on the back. So if you didn't want the print, you could just have them like just velvet. And then I got another one which kind of matches that, but it's different. So it's the same colour, but it's a different print. It's like stripes in like the Aztec-y and spots. So yeah, I thought all of those cushions would look really nice together. And then one more thing I got was this blanket, another blanket. I got a coloured blanket, and this one's way more lightweight, but it's super soft, and it's got kind of like, it's like amber with like yellow chevrons. It's really nice. Penny's like trying to lie on that now. Penny is literally like, oh, you're making me a den. She's not gonna know what hits her when I take it all away. But yeah, it's a really small, lightweight. I think this one was only £17.99, so it's a lot cheaper than some of the other things. But yeah, I just thought these all together, these colours would just look so nice. So I'm gonna lay it all out now and put some fancy, cozy music on and show you it all in my home. much for watching my home haul. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you want me to do more like home videos. I'm definitely up for that. I think fashion ideas come to me more easily. So if there's anything you want to see, then just let me know. I will do a home tour at some point, but we're still like waiting for a few things. So I didn't want to do it until the home is ready. But yeah, if there's any like homeware videos or like home tips you want to hear, then just let me know. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I do 2 videos a week on a Thursday and a Sunday. And I will see you next time.